Yeah, so if you are tired of paying just to remove the watermark on your CapCut or any other editing software on your smartphone, this video is for you. Yeah, so Premiere Pro some weeks ago launched their Premiere for phone, of which I've been using for days now, and I'm here to show you how you can edit some cinematic reels and videos using just your phone and export into 4K or even export into your laptop and continue editing over there. Yeah, so this app has features like auto-generated captions, text to image generation, and all of that. And the best part is all of this is free. So if you're using CapCut for a while, you are tired of paying for subscriptions for the same thing that Adobe is giving for free, this video is for you. Yeah, so the Premiere Pro app is available on the App Store. And I don't know for Android yet, but for iPhones, it's available on the App Store. Just search Premiere on the App Store. It's free to download. You download it, and it's basically simple. You just import videos, audio, you cut, you add transitions, overlays, and other stuff. Yeah, so I'm going to use this app to edit one of the reels I did for a client. So you see how easy it is to edit videos with this app. Yeah, so let me switch over to my phone and show you how I edited this cinematic reel for TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms. Yeah, so this is the Premiere app. It looks like the main Premiere Pro. You can see it with the PR, the Premiere. So let's launch the app and see. Yeah, so with the interface, you can see the new from photo library is basically where you can export your video or your files for edit. So you click here, you can import your pictures or something, or maybe if you have it on your files app, you can just click on that. And if you have a video you want to extract the audio to, you can click on that. This if you want to add captions. Yeah, so the other one with the plus sign is basically the premium one. So if you want to use these features, you need to upgrade before you can use that. So we have the generate image. I think you can generate images with prompt or those stuff. So it will just direct you to the Adobe page. You log in and do such things. I think you need internet connection for that. The next one is image to video. So if you have any picture you want to convert it into a video, or you have any picture you want to expand the picture or add anything to it, I think you use that. But for now, let's just stick with the free version and see what we can do with the app. The best thing in the app is it doesn't add watermark for the free version. So let's edit this short video for a client. So let's go to the library tab and search for the videos. Um, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so I've selected the videos. Let's click on next. So this, yeah, so this is a video. So you can do basic stuff like cutting. So let's say I want to cut this video to this part. I'll just click on the video here, and I have the chance to click on split. That's to cut it into two. I have to delete it, or if I want to duplicate it, I can do that. Or if I want to replace this video with another one, I can do that. And with this new Premiere Pro, you can stack videos like the phone version. Like you can stack up videos on top of each other just to enable your workflow or for you to know where your media is located. And you can see effects like the audio fade, enhance speed. So let's say you have the audio with a noisy background, you can also enhance the speech in that or remove background. And looks. So looks is basically light or maybe color grading side. So with this, let's go and choose a new video for a new audio for the song. So let's click on any of this and click on the plus sign. So we see from so music and audio or titles and captions, videos and images. So I'll click on the photo library and search for the song that I want to use. So I have it as a video. So let me search. I want to use this sound for that. So let's go. So you see it's here. Let's switch on to extract audio. So with this, I can delete the video and have the audio of the sound there.
Chase your dreams, man. Do that thing, man, that keeps you up at night. That thing that bothers you, man, that makes you trip.
Yeah, so we are making a progress now. We just need to mute the sounds from the main video. So let's click on that. Click on volume and you bring the volume down to 0. So then you see, let's do that for the others. And this one too. This. So let's go back and play the video and see.
I say chase your dreams, man. Do that thing, man, that keeps you up at night. That thing that bothers you, man, that makes you trip. You can't quit thinking about it. You always.
So you see, that's it. So let's cut it onto the audio length. So let's go with split, delete, split, delete, split, delete, split, and delete the rest. Let's see this. So split, and you delete. Let's go back and play.
I say chase your dreams, man. Do that thing, man, that keeps you up at night. That thing that bothers you, man, that makes you trip. You can't quit thinking about it. You always.
Very simple. So can add effect like, let's say, the looks tab. You have various looks to choose from. I think you can choose we have various looks to choose from. I think you can choose to non, vivid, dramatic. Like you have ready lots for you to choose from and use on your file or footage. So let's check. Yeah, so you can change the speed. So let's say I want to. You can increase the speed to 100x or slow it down. You have that slow motion effect, as you can see.
Do that thing, man, that keeps you up at night. That thing that bothers you, man, that makes you trip.
So basically, these are some of the effects you can do, like the normal stuff you can do with the, how do we call it, any other editing software. But this, so what you get, let's use the titles and captions. So if you want to add titles and caption, you just click on this. Let's click on captions. So you can see I've chosen all space. So everything that the man said in the video will be translated into text on the screen. So let's say you have a talking head video or a tutorial video. After saying everything in English, you can just click on that to generate a good speech for you, so you can use for your video. So let's click on create captions. As you can see, it's working its magic, and you see everything is on the screen. So let's go.
Say chase your dreams, man. Do that thing, man, that keeps you up at night. That thing that bothers you, man, that makes you trip. You can't quit.
So that's 100% accurate. Like whatever the man is saying in the video, that's what the app transcripted. So you can change the style. So you see, we have the plain one, the one with black background. We have the one with blue, and we have the one that highlights anything that the man says. You have it in colors and styles. You can change the font. If you have any font in mind, you can search the font or maybe download and add font into the font tab. But they have a list of fonts here. You can change the font color. You can change the layout of the text, whether it should be in the middle, should be coming from the side, left or right. You can change the width of the text to fit your style. Yeah, so I think with that, this is what you get with it. And you can add animations and all of that stuff. So these are the basic things you can do. I think this role is ready. Let's try to export it and see. So to the export option for TikTok, IG, and Facebook, I think you can maintain the 1080p. And for cinematic, you can click on 24 for the frame rate, but I can leave it at 30 since most of the social media apps focuses on the 30 frames per second. You can switch to 60 frames per second. Any of the frame rate that works with you, always just choose that one and use it. So we have 4K. See the size has changed, 4K 60, 1080p 30. So after this, you just click on export video and your video will be ready. Or if you want to continue the editing on your PC or laptop, you just click on Premiere Desktop. Then it will just sync it to the Premiere Pro on your laptop if you have the Adobe Cloud sign in on both devices. Yeah. So I think this will be the end of the video. If you like it to this part, make sure you like, subscribe, and share to a friend as well.